Hey everyone, it's your host Joman here, and welcome back to another exciting episode on New Tech Look. Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest from Samsung, the much-anticipated Samsung Tab S9 Ultra. This tablet is packed with incredible features that are sure to blow your mind. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's talk design and build. The first thing that caught my eye about the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra is its stunning design. With a combination of glass front and an aluminum frame and back, this tablet looks and feels premium. It's ultra slim at just 5.5 mm thick and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go tech enthusiasts. Plus, it's IP68 dust and water resistant, ensuring durability even in challenging environments. Moving on to the display, oh boy, it's breathtaking. The Samsung Tab S9 Ultra features a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or working, the visuals are incredibly smooth and vibrant. And with HDR10+ support, you can expect stunning colors and contrast. The Corning Gorilla Glass protection gives you peace of mind against accidental scratches. Let's talk about the performance, under the hood. This beast is powered by Android 13 and Samsung's One UI 5.1, offering a seamless and user-friendly experience. The tablet is fueled by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, built on the 4nm architecture. It doesn't get more cutting-edge than that. The octa-core CPU and Adreno 740 GPU handle multitasking and gaming like a champ. What about memory and storage? Storage won't be a problem with the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra. It comes with three variants, 256GB with 12GB of RAM, 512GB with 12GB of RAM, and a jaw-dropping 1TB with a whopping 16GB of RAM. That's more than enough space to store all your files, apps, and media. Let's talk cameras. On the back, you'll find a versatile dual-camera setup, a 13MP wide lens and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Capture your moments with clarity and detail, and don't forget the LED flash, HDR, and panorama features. Selfie enthusiasts will love the dual 12MP setup on the front, including a wide lens and an ultra-wide lens, perfect for group selfies and stunning vlogs. Moving on to audio and connectivity, Samsung never disappoints when it comes to audio quality. The Tab S9 Ultra is equipped with stereo speakers tuned by AKG, delivering immersive sound. While there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, wireless audio solutions will come to your rescue. And when it comes to connectivity, you've got Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and more. Now let's talk about battery and charging. Battery life is essential, especially for power users. The Samsung Tab S9 Ultra is equipped with a massive LiPo 11,200 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered up all day. Plus, the 45W wired charging will juice up your tablet quickly. Let's talk about colors and price. Style matters, right? The Tab S9 Ultra comes in two elegant colors, beige and graphite, giving you options to match your taste. As for the price, it's expected to be around €1,200, which may seem steep, but for the features it offers, it's a worthy investment. Conclusion: the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra truly sets the bar high with its stunning design, powerful performance, and a plethora of features. If you're on the lookout for the ultimate tablet experience, this could be the one for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to New Tech Look for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.